Hello, dear students. I hope all of you are well. Now, I am going to take an online class on your writing skill, especially for first year. In the SSC examination, you have been asked to write a paragraph on the basis of some questions. If you want to write the memorizing answer, it is very difficult to answer all the questions. In this way, you will get very poor marks. To pass or to get good marks in the examination, you have to write in your own way. So, you have to avoid memorization. Dear students, if you want to be a creative writer, you have to notice some important points. First of all, the point is, you should remember that you are the students of intermediate level and your syllabus is written by the communicative method. So you have to strictly follow the method. To follow this method, you have to be creative. If you want to be creative, you have to avoid memorization. To be creative, you have to develop your thinking power. Last of all, when you write a paragraph, you should use English effectively and confidently in all situations. Now, we want to notice the definition of a paragraph. You know, a paragraph is a number of sentences grouped together and relating to one topic, or a group of related sentences that develops a single point. There is, therefore, no rules as to the length of paragraphs. They may be short or long according to the necessity of the case. A paragraph consists of a single sentence or of many sentences. The language should be simple, the style direct, and the sentences should be short, and as a paragraph is limited, all difficulties must be avoided. Next, when you write a paragraph, you should keep in mind the following important points. To be a creative writer, you have to follow the following techniques. Find out the topic of a paragraph. When you write a paragraph or when you want to answer the paragraph, then first of all you have to find out the topic of the paragraph, means the title of the paragraph. Then you have to organize the thought. Thought means your thinking power should be organized. When you start to write a paragraph, you have to organize your ideas. Logical sequence of thought means when you write something, it should be logical. Sequence of thought means you have to write the thoughts or ideas in a proper sequence. Then you have to follow the chronological order. Chronological order means you have to write it sequential order, means the importance of the ideas. Then time sequence. When you write a paragraph, you have to follow the time or date. It should be sequence. A good topical sentence. If you want to write a good paragraph or you want to be a good paragraph writer, you have to make a good topic sentence. A full and rounded final sentence in conclusion. That is last all. If you want to be a creative paragraph writer, you have to follow the structure of a paragraph. Now, we want to see the structure of a paragraph. The structure of a paragraph are given below. Point 1, unity. The first and the most important principle to observe in constructing a paragraph is that of unity. Just as each sentence deals with one thought, each paragraph must be deal with one topic or idea and with no more than one. That means the unity should be one. The topic should be one of a paragraph. And every sentence in the paragraph must be closely connected with the main topic. When you write a paragraph, you have to write the sentences that should be related or connected with the main topic of the paragraph. Irrelevant or unnecessary information should be avoided when you write a paragraph. The paragraph and every part of it must be expression of one theme or one topic. Second point is order. Order means the second principle of paragraph constructing in order, that is logical sequence of thought or development of the subject. Means when you write something, there should be order and there should follow the sequence of importance or the proper use of the words in proper order. Events must be related in the order of their occurrence, and in all ideas should be connected with the leading idea and arranged according to their importance or order. Last all, variety. A third principle of a paragraph construction is variety, which means that avoid monotony. The paragraph of a composition should be different lengths and not always of the same construction. To be a good creative writer, dear learners, you have to follow the some other techniques. Topic sentence or key sentence. When you study paragraph writing, you have to keep in mind the topic sentence or key sentence. The topic, the theme or subject of a paragraph is very often expressed in one sentence of the paragraph, generally the first. Means when you write a paragraph or you want to be a creative writer, you have to first write a topic sentence. That should be the first sentence of the paragraph. This sentence is called the topical sentence because it states the topic, or the key sentence because it unlocks or opens the subject to be dealt with in the paragraph. So, topic sentence is most important sentence of the paragraph. Second, developers or subordinate details. On the basis of the topic sentence, you have to write more sentences to enlarge the paragraph. So, topic sentence just only first or second sentence, and you have to write more sentences to enlarge the paragraph. That should be called the developers or subordinate details. So, the sentences you write to enlarge the paragraph is called the developers or subordinate details. The sentence, the paragraph quality depends on the developers or the subordinate details. Dear learners, if you want to write more fruitful sentences to develop your ideas or topic, then the paragraph should be very effective and fruitful. The sentences which develops the paragraph is called developers. Last all, you have to close the paragraph with a conclusion. You have to conclude the paragraph with a full and rounded final sentence in logical conclusion. Not more than one sentence is in the paragraph. When you write a paragraph, you have to remember three important points. First of all, accuracy. Dear learners, when you write a freehand writing, when you write a creative paragraph, you have to remember the 3 points. When you write a paragraph, you have to be accurate. What you write, it should be accurate. What types of information is given by you, that should be accurate. Do not write anything without topic. You should not write anything without topic. You should not write anything that is irrelevant to the topic. Number 2, brevity. Brevity means when you write something, it should be brief. When you write a paragraph, you have to be brief. Do not write what is unnecessary. Try to avoid repetition. Means when you write a sentence, it should not be repeated again. When you write this word, it should not be repeated again. So, should be repeated, should be avoided, and the writing paragraph should be very brief. Third one, clarity. When you write a paragraph, you have to follow all the rules and conditions. Try to avoid overwriting and all types of grammatical mistakes. and error. You have to follow the starting and ending point of a paragraph. Dear learners, I think all of you have to be benefited if you want to follow these rules of writing the paragraphs. I hope all of you follow the rules of paragraphs and try to practice in your home in the vacation to develop your writing skill. Thank you all.